At our residential house cleaning service in Ealing, London, UK, we understand that keeping your home pristine is important, but we have specific insurance policies regarding window cleaning. While you might wonder if your cleaner can provide window cleaning services alongside our regular residential cleaning, the answer is unfortunately not a simple yes. Our insurance does not cover the use of stepladders or the responsibility for outdoor work, including cleaning outside windows. Many customers searching for professional house cleaning in Ealing specifically ask us about this limitation when seeking high-quality home services. We promote safe and reliable house cleaning in Ealing, allowing your regular cleaner to focus on essential inside tasks that enhance your living environment. If you need help with thorough home cleaning while ensuring every surface inside is spotless, we are here to help. Contact us today for top-notch residential house cleaning services you can trust.